You'll literally only need two things to clean off your makeup brushes: Dove body wash and a towel. Here I'm using this cucumber Dove body wash. Also, I use it because body wash is more gentle on your face versus using dishwashing liquid. So as you can see, I literally just put water on the towel. I don't squeeze it out. It's just because I don't like squeezing it out. And I take the soap or body wash and I put it on the towel. And as you can see, I'm not using a lot of pressure on the towel because I like to keep the soap on the surface of the towel so I can get I can get the brushes clean. So here I put the towel in my hand and I'm literally just using the brushes to clean themselves, if that makes sense. And you can see that I forgot some of these brushes were clean. They were so dirty. I hadn't cleaned my makeup brushes in like 2 years, y'all. Please don't get on me. You can also use the sink. You can use the edge of your sink and your hand. In this video, I tend to alternate because my hand gets tired. And so if you feel like your towel gets dirty, you can just squeeze it out. It's not that hard. And I'm repeating the process, rubbing the dishwashing, rubbing the body wash with minimal pressure and using the brush to clean itself on the towel. But this brush had glitter on it. I have been using it for like multiple glitter makeup looks, so it was kind of hard. All right, so this is the next day, and as you can see, all my makeup brushes are so clean and beautiful. And here you see that my beauty blender is green. Y'all, my beauty blender used to be brown. I'm so serious. And here's my eyeshadow brush. It's so clean and fluffy now. All my brushes are so fluffy. And here's my setting brush that I use to set my face. And y'all, I forgot the tip of this brush was white. It's been brown for so long. Jesus fix it. And you see, it's so beautiful. So y'all make sure y'all clean y'all brushes on the regular because I haven't cleaned my brushes in like 2 years. I'm surprised my face hasn't broken out drastically yet. But you come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And all my social media will be down in the description box. And y'all already know y'all can hit me up with video ideas. So, see y'all in my next video.